What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. If you're returning, welcome back. I have an unboxing here for you guys. This is from Gearbest. It came from Amazon. And this is a 1S flyer. It's the X80 from Gearbest. So let's pop this thing open and see what it comes with. So they gave us some Gem Fan 2035 quad blade props. We got some prop guards in here for it. And this is it right here. The Gearbest X80. And it comes with a little battery and a Velcro strap. Well, Velcro patch this looks like for the battery and for the bottom of the quad. This battery is unbranded, but me having experience with this size of battery with this size connector on it, I know that this is a 500 milliamp hour 1S battery with the pH 2.0 connector or Molex connector on it. And so this is the quad here. Let's get some light on it. And so looks really nice. These motors look really different here. Shiny metallic material on the motors. No information on how fast these things are spinning. No kV information. They feel very notchy though. And they look like they're 1102 motors. I have the King Kong, or should I say LDARC ET100, and it seems like it has the same size motors. I have custom motors on mine, and so they look about this size. So I think I would guess that this is probably 1102. And these look like the, what's the JJ 1000 props it look like. Special color though. And so really neat. Looks like one wire here going from the motor to the ESC stack here, the 4-in-1 ESC. And the wires are really tiny. So I'm hoping this is going, it seems like it'll be okay for 1S though. So I'm hoping that this is a nice flyer. This is the FR Sky version. Let me make sure. So this is the FR Sky binding fly. And so we're definitely going to check this thing out. Definitely. So I didn't see this other stuff that was tucked in this little sleeve here. Oh, there's even more stuff in there. Let's get everything out of this thing. So what else we have in here? Looks like that's everything. So let me get more light in here. And so we have a bunch of screws to put on these prop guards here. So left that out there because we didn't see that tucked in the pocket. And this also is a 1S charger. Looks like the King Kong style, and you can switch which connector you want it to go to, or I think the milliamp hour you can switch it. Yes, you can switch the milliamp hour for the charge and all. It's a USB connector on this side. And it comes with an instructions manual, and it looks like 2 rubber bands have been included as well. And so this has a fly color stack. So now we have more information on this thing. Let's see. Okay, the CPU is the STM32F303. The gyro is the MPU 6000 SPI. It has a, yes, it's S-bus output. So good, it's not PPM, it's S-bus. 8 channels on here. They're giving us 80 meters for range. And what else? So now it's a 16 by 16 stack with M2 mounting screws. BLHeli-S firmware is on here. And it supports D-Shot 150, D-Shot 300, one-shot 125, and multi-shot. So no D-Shot 600, but D-Shot 300 should be good enough for a 1S flyer. And so that's it. Pretty detailed instructions manual. It doesn't tell us any information on the motor's KV still. You guys can expect some flight footage of this coming up really soon. and ultimately a quick review or a full review of this. It's the Gearbest X80 1S Flyer. Thanks for watching.